This is a $1 billion rocket ship, a future technology that will one day take you all the way to Mars to live in your brand new home, a $500 million biosphere. Oh my gosh. And throughout this video, we'll show you just how epic the future is about to be.
Oh my gosh.
You'll see how we're going to bring extinct species back to life. This is literally the future. Flying cars that can take you anywhere.
What?
And so much more.
No way.
All starting with this $1 light, which, when you combine millions of them, can simulate the future of humanity, or Mars. And in this video, I'm excited to show you guys the most futuristic technology on the planet. But next, we're going with the $10,000 technology, Neuralink, which is a computer chip surgically implanted into the brain, enabling people like Nolan here to reconnect to the world. So you were paralyzed from the neck down.
Yeah, and for about 8 years, I was trying to find some purpose in my life.
And then you got Neuralink, and what has that changed?
Anything anyone can do on a computer, I can do.
And he literally does it by using only his brain. You are currently moving that with your thoughts.
Yeah, man.
I want to see you send a text with your brain.
Okay.
His hands are paralyzed, but we're going to film them so you can see they're not moving. And using the neurons firing in Nolan's brain, Neuralink can translate those signals into movements. He just typed hi with his mind. Is this not crazy to anyone else? But that's not all he can do. So you just think left, and you're about to turn left.
Left, right, don't die.
No!
There we go.
He absolutely crushed us playing with only his mind.
I never thought would allow me to do anything like this.
And future technology can not only help the mind, but also the body. For people like Kai, a 12-year-old born without an arm and was sadly abandoned on the side of the road. This is what Kai thinks he's about to get. This is hard. And he has no idea he's in a fake doctor's office and about to get the most advanced bionic arm on the planet. A $25,000 bionic ligament straight out of a superhero movie. Let's surprise him. Hey, Kai.
Hello.
Do you mind telling me a little bit about yourself?
I'm 12. I'm adopted from China.
Kai has no idea that that's Jimmy. Your mom told me that you are a big fan of the channel.
Wait, no way.
Yes, and this is the arm you were going to be getting, but I didn't think that was good enough. So, I got you a present.
No way.
This is the most futuristic bionic arm on the planet. Your mom told me that you like playing sports, you like being active, and this should make everything you want to do much more
This
easy.
is no way.
The cool part about this arm too is there's sensors in there, and you'll be able to use the hand without having to pull on anything. The sensors will be able to pick up on your nerves. Is that freaking cool?
Yes.
Bicep arm. Oh, look at that. Here's a piece of wood. See if you can grab it. There you go. Is that not freaking crazy? All right, you want to try shaking my hand? Oh, that's so cool. There we go. Look at that. And then obviously, if you ever don't want the beast burning, you can just pop it off. You don't
I'm
have to have
keeping this
it.
on.
Okay.
This is the best day of my life.
Real? Aww.
I've seen so many of your videos where you help people. I never thought that would be me.
Here we are. Sure, this bionic arm is life-changing, but it's nothing compared to the $150,000 flying car. You think that thing will beat me to work?
Oh yeah, if somehow you win, I'll give you $1 million.
You'll give me $1 million if I win?
Oh yeah.
Oh, all right, let's get this going. We're gonna race to work and see which is faster, a flying car or a normal car. All right, let the race begin. Okay. Whoa.
He's right next to
He's
us.
literally right.
What? Did he just peel off into the ocean?
Yeah, he doesn't need roads.
That's cheating.
For this to be a true test, we have to obey all traffic laws. See, look, we have to stop at a stop sign. Now we can go. But with the flying car, he can just take a straight path, which is why for as long as people have thought about the future, flying cars have always been at the forefront. Oh, wait, I can see him.
That's it.
Wait, he might already be over halfway.
No.
We just started.
Well, we gotta hurry.
Imagine how much time you could save every single day if your commute to work was cut in half because you could fly to it instead of having to drive to it.
I'd save like 1,000 hours a year.
Maybe not a year.
I didn't do any math.
This $150,000 flying car doesn't even compare to the $1 billion rocket ship we'll be seeing later. This is just the beginning. This thing got here so fast. Come on in. No. Oh, God. I forgot we're at a beach. Jimmy's not catching up to that at all.
Jimmy, I think you're cooked for the $1 million.
Yeah, well, luckily, I never said I would give him $1 million if he won. He just said he'd give me $1 million. Let me make sure I don't actually run over someone. Oh, there it is. How long have you been here?
10 minutes?
You've been here for 10 minutes?
Absolutely.
Oh my God. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited to drive one of these one day.
And if you're not excited for the future yet, how about you take this jetpack to work soon?
For the price of $500,000. This jetpack can fly over 80 miles an hour, and with a 3-mile range, it's easily the fastest way to get to work.
So happy at work.
Glad you can make it.
The future of transportation isn't just in the sky, it's also on the ground. And for $1 million, we have the fastest car in the world, and I'm gonna get in and drive it. Now, not only is this the fastest car in the world, oh my gosh, it accelerates so fast, but it has so much suction that it can drive upside down. Oh, all right. Oh my God, Jimmy is turning upside down right now. This is absolutely terrifying. But not as terrifying as being in a normal car. This is so crazy. He's defying gravity right now. Oh, I feel all the blood in my body rushing to my head. This thing has 2 vacuum fans so powerful, you can literally drive it upside down. Just not very far. And at 10 times the cost of this car, Mercedes put the future price tag of this concept car at $10 million.
This is a vision of a futuristic car in, let's say, a couple of 100 years. It's also inspired by the universe of Pandora. It's more like a creature.
So if I touch it,
It will react to you, yes.
whoa. What happens if I pet it?
Yeah, you see, he likes it.
That is, okay. Can I take the creature for a spin?
Yes.
Let's have some fun. So all you do is you just press it forward to go forward. What? Is that crazy? And then you pull it back to stop. And then this top part twists, so you can drive the car sideways.
Oh my God!
These chairs pick up your heartbeat and all your vitals, and then automatically adjust everything. They will automatically change the temperature for you. Watch this.
Wait, so then in theory I can drive it?
Yeah, you can drive it. But this car is worth $10 million, by the way, so.
It is?
Yeah.
And I'm driving with my left hand right now? Okay. Oh my gosh, this is trippy.
Speaking of trippy, see that drone right there?
I do!
That is called Wing. This is literally the future of delivery. Now check this.
That is crazy, and then it just lets go.
Super convenient. They can deliver your packages in minutes. And to put that to the test,
Mrbeast starts the video by introducing the main idea. He will show technology ranging from just $1 all the way up to $1 billion. The goal is simple. Compare how technology evolves as the price increases. Show how crazy and futuristic the world is becoming. 2. $1 tech, basic and simple. The video begins with something extremely cheap like a $1 light bulb or basic gadget. Purpose? Show how simple and limited cheap tech is. It works, but it's very basic. This creates a strong contrast for what's coming next. 3. Mid-level tech, getting advanced. As the price increases, Mrbeast shows more advanced technologies, smart devices, expensive machines, high-tech gadgets. Each step shows better performance, more features, more innovation. 4. Brain chip technology, shocking scene. One of the most insane parts of the video, a brain implant chip that allows a person to control things using their mind. A man demonstrates how he can interact using brain signals. This shows real-life futuristic technology. It proves technology is moving toward human-machine integration. 5. Bionic arm and medical tech. Next, Mrbeast explores advanced prosthetic, bionic arm, and life-changing medical tech. These technologies help people move again, live better lives. This part adds an emotional plus educational angle to the video. 6. Ultra-expensive tech, crazy innovations. Now the price jumps higher and higher. Advanced robotics, high-end machines, cutting-edge inventions. These are technologies most people have never seen before. 7. Billion-dollar technology, the peak. Finally, the video reaches the extreme, a billion-dollar rocket or mega technology. Huge scale, insane engineering represents the future of humanity. This shows how far technology can go with massive budgets. 8. Ending, message of the video. Mrbeast ends with a powerful idea. The future is going to be insane and full of innovation. Technology is evolving faster than ever. It leaves viewers thinking, what will the world look like in the next 10 to 20 years? Key takeaways for your audience. Cheap tech equals simple and limited. Expensive tech equals powerful and life-changing. Future tech equals almost unbelievable. Innovation depends heavily on investment and research. Start small, but think big. Even a $1 idea can turn into a billion-dollar impact. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from trying again and again, even when nobody is watching. The difference between $1 and $1 billion isn't just money. It's mindset, risk, and consistency. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Mrbeast started with nothing, just a camera and a dream. If you focus on giving value, success will chase you automatically. Every big creator you see today was once unknown. The only difference, they didn't quit. The future belongs to those who are crazy enough to try something new. Remember, you don't need billions to start. You just need the courage to begin.